Here we have two equations in x and y with logarithms. Now, two equations, two variables, suggests that we're going to need to look at simultaneous equations. So I'm going to take these one at a time. I'm going to look at them on one side. This one I'm going to do on the left-hand side, and then I'll do this one on the right-hand side in a minute. So let's look at this equation. Log 3x plus 4 log 9y is equal to 2. Now what can I do with this? Well, the first thing is the bases are different. So let's make the bases the same. The simpler base is 3. So log 3x plus 4 lots of change of base rule, log base 3 of y over log base 3 of 9 is equal to 2. But log base 3 of 9 is equal to 2. So this is log base 3 of x plus 4 divided by 2. So 2 lots of log base 3 of y is equal to 2. Using laws of logs, I'm going to pull this 2 in, and I'm going to get log base 3 of y squared. And then using another law of logs, I'm going to combine these two logs to get log base 3 xy squared. And now I have a logarithmic statement, a single logarithmic statement is equal to a number, so I can turn this into exponential form, which means that xy squared is equal to 3 to the power of 2, which is 9. And that has given me an equation that I'm going to be able to use in a moment to try and solve. Now on this side, I'm going to look at this equation here, and I'm going to do a very similar process. So 2 log base 4 of x plus log base 2 of y is equal to 1. Get the bases the same first of all. So 2 log, and I'm going to change it to base 2 because that's the simpler one. So 2 log base 2 of x over log base 2 of 4 plus log base 2 of y is equal to 1. Log base 2 of 4 is 2, so the 2's are going to cancel, so we're going to left with log base 2 of x plus log base 2 of y is equal to 1. Combine those two logs, so log base 2 of xy is equal to 1, which means xy is equal to 2 to the power of 1. And that is going to be our second equation. Now we have two equations in x and y. Xy squared is equal to 9 and xy is equal to 2. Several ways you could think about doing this. I'm going to go with, if xy squared is equal to 9, that is xy times y is equal to 9. And xy is equal to 2. So that means 2y is equal to 9, because xy is equal to 2 from over here, which means that y is equal to 9 over 2. And now I know that, substituting into xy, x times 9 over 2 is equal to 2, which means that x is going to be equal to 4 over 9. So I have y is equal to 9 over 2 and x is equal to 4 over 9 as the solutions to this pair of simultaneous equations that involve logarithms.